Hello. My name is Kristen Angel, and today I will be showing you how to close out of a true Swiss style tournament. Now click on Update TD Stats file. Now you need to check that the standings are correct, and click on Yes. Proceed to update TD Stats. So if you made a mistake, say in round 1, then you will need to contact Cases, My League, and also need to ask an admin to change the player's stats. I have also put a box around the 3 winners for this tournament. Now your TD Stats file has been updated. Now just click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Update Player Tournament Records. Now this is what Player Tournament Stats updated page looks like. And click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Process Entry Fees. And if any ladder backs were charged, then they will be taken from the players. Now ladder backs have been taken from player's account. Now click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Award Ladder Backs. Now ladder backs have been added to the player's account, and an email sent out to the players too. Now click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Report Matches to Ladder. Now you will see a page saying matches have been reported to ladder. Once you get this, you can click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now click on Close Out Tournament. Now your tournament is now finished, but you will need to click on Return to Administer Tourney. Your tournament number will be here. Now once you see this page, you know your tournament is finished. So click on Return to TD Center. Now you can log out TD Administration Center. Now that completes everything you need to know about the true Swiss tournament.